In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a kneeling reverse fly. So this is a fantastic exercise for those that are doing floor-based workouts that don't want to do their reverse fly standing up, or they don't want to do them off a bench. Maybe they're doing a sequence of exercises on the floor and they want something quick that they can go into. Now, I've got one dumbbell here, and the setup is that I want to bring my knees directly underneath my hips. So that looks like this. So knees directly underneath the hips, and I've got my wrists directly underneath the position of my shoulders. I'm then going to decide which side is going to be doing the repetitions first. So for the sake of the camera, I'll choose my left side so you can best see. Core is braced, try and keep a neutral spine. And what you're going to do in this position is you're going to come directly away from the midline of your body. I've got a very slight bend in the elbow as I do that. So when I do my repetitions, brace the core, I'm going to come up and back down, keeping that neutral spine, trying not to twist at all. And you should be feeling this in the back of the shoulder. You don't need a lot of weight for this. Once you're done, you would do exactly the same on the opposing side. Again, bringing the dumbbell away from the body, big squeeze at the top of the motion, and you're looking to feel it in the back of the shoulder. So that's how you do a kneeling reverse fly, and of course you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.